Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Spam breakfast casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out here. I'm using my Copper Chef XL, but you can do this in any nice size skillet. I have this preheating. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in here. Not a whole lot because our Spam has some oil in it, some grease. Now I have 1 can of Spam luncheon meat that I diced up in little chunks. We're going to get it in and we're going to get a nice brown on it. And this should only take a few minutes, guys. Alright, now that my Spam's all browned up and I pulled it out and set it aside, I add a little more olive oil to my Copper Chef. I have a 32-ounce bag of frozen Southern-style hash browns. They're just a little diced cubes. You could also dice up fresh potatoes if you like. I'm going to get them in here, get these browning, thaw it out and browning up a little bit. And I have 1 medium onion I diced up. We're going to get that in with the potatoes. And as this fries, guys, I'm going to season it with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Alright, now that my potatoes are all nice and browned up, my onions are soft, and the potatoes are thawed out, I turn my heat off. I'm going to put my Spam back in here, guys. And guys, if you don't like Spam, you could use sausage for this, or ham, or even bacon. That would be great. I'm just going to stir my Spam into this. And like I said, I turned my heat off. Now I have some sharp cheddar cheese here. I'm going to add some of that in. And guys, you can very easily brown your ingredients up in a skillet and then transfer them into a casserole dish. Okay, that's about a cup of cheese. I'm going to stir that in and see how it looks. This dish here, we want cheese in it, but we don't want it extra cheesy. Okay, that's looking good on the cheese. Scrape that excess off my spatula. I'm going to level this out the best I can. Now I'm going to take a spoon and put a couple indentations in this. I'm going to go for about 6. What we're going to do is we're going to put some eggs in here. Now if you don't like sunny side up eggs, you could scramble eggs and mix them in there raw. I'm going to go ahead and crack my eggs into a little dish. This way here I have a better chance of not breaking the yolk, and if there's blood in it or shell, I can get it out. And I'm going to dump my egg into those little indentations I made. You just want to go along till you get all of them filled up. Like so. And like I said, if you don't like, we call them here in Pennsylvania dippy eggs. If you don't like dippy eggs, go ahead and scramble your eggs up and dump them in here and just stir them in. Okay, now they have all my eggs in here, guys. I'm going to season them with a little salt and pepper. Now, if I were to do scrambled eggs in this, I'd probably put a layer of cheese over top of it, but since we're using regular eggs, dippy eggs, I'm not going to put cheese over top. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for 8 to 12 minutes so my eggs are set. We don't want the yolks cooked through, but we want the whites cooked through. So I'm going to put that in there uncovered and I'll keep it on, and when it's ready to pull it out, I'll bring it back. Alright guys, this is done. I just took it out of the oven. It took about 10 minutes. You want to keep an eye on it though because you don't want your yolks to get hard. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and try it. See how nice that egg is on top there? You just want to go in and break your yolk, or like we call it dippy, all down over your casserole here. Give this a try, guys. It's really good. You pick up the flavor of the egg, the saltiness of the Spam, the seasonings I put in the potatoes, and the cheese. That's really good, guys. And that was a one-pot meal, not a lot of mess. Alright, there you have it. Spam breakfast casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see you.